Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you? So in this video, we are going to learn about layers of the atmosphere. As you can see in this picture, the atmosphere can be divided into layers based on its temperature. These layers are the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. So friends, this is troposphere. Troposphere is the innermost layer of the Earth's atmosphere. It is the closest layer to the surface of the Earth. The troposphere is between 5 and 9 miles thick, depending on where you are on Earth. This layer is thinnest at the north and south pole. Troposphere contains the air we breathe and clouds in the sky, as you can see in this picture. The troposphere contains 3/4 of the mass of entire atmosphere. The air in this layer contains 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 1% is made of argon, water vapor, and carbon dioxide. So this is all about troposphere. So friends, we have completed troposphere and now we are here to listen about stratosphere. Above the troposphere and below the mesosphere, we have stratosphere. Strat means layer. So this layer has no storms to mix up the air. It is so cold, heavy air is at the bottom and warm light air is at the top. So at the top it will be very warm and at the bottom it will be very cold. That is very opposite to the troposphere. So if you were to climb a mountain in the stratosphere, you would have to take off your warm clothes as you get closer to the top. But there are no mountains high enough to reach the stratosphere, so you don't have to worry about that. This layer called stratosphere is 22 miles thick. Ozone layer is found in this layer called stratosphere. The ozone layer helps protect us from ultraviolet radiation from the sun. The ozone layer absorbs most of the UV radiation the sun sends to us. So as we know, it wouldn't be possible without this layer of protection to live. So this is all about stratosphere. Now let us learn about mesosphere. So two zones have been completed. I mean, two layers have been completed. So the third and middle layer is mesosphere. The mesosphere lies between the thermosphere and stratosphere. It is the middle layer of the Earth's atmosphere. Meso means middle, and this is the highest layer of the atmosphere in which the gases are mixed up. The mesosphere is 22 miles thick, means 35 kilometers thick. The air here is still thin. We can't breathe in this layer called mesosphere. So friends, do you know about shooting stars? I think everyone knows, which are also called as meteors. So that meteors burn up in this mesosphere. These meteors make it through the exosphere and thermosphere without much trouble because those layers don't have much air. So these burn up in mesosphere. So friends, this is all about mesosphere. Now comes the thermosphere. The thermosphere lies between the exosphere and mesosphere. Thermo means heat, and the temperature in this layer can reach up to 4,500 degrees Fahrenheit. If you were to hang out in the thermosphere, you would be very cold because there are not enough gas molecules to transfer the heat to you. This also means that there are not enough molecules for sound waves to travel through. This layer of Earth's atmosphere is about 319 miles, that is 513 kilometers thick. That's much thicker than the inner layers of the atmosphere, but not nearly as thick as exosphere. The thermosphere is the home to the International Space Station as it orbits Earth. This is also where you will find low Earth orbit satellites. Now comes the outermost layer, that is exosphere. Exo means outside and is the same prefix used to describe insects like grasshoppers that have a hard shell or exoskeleton on the outside of their body. The exosphere is the very edge of the atmosphere. This layer separates the rest of the atmosphere from outer space. It's about 6,200 miles, that is 10,000 kilometers thick, as you can see in this picture. That's almost as wide as Earth itself. The exosphere is really big. The exosphere has gases like hydrogen and helium, but they are very spread out. There is a lot of empty space in between. There is no air to breathe and it's very cold. This is all about exosphere. I think you all understood all the layers. So friends, I hope you all understood about layers of atmosphere. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon and comment. And also follow me on Instagram and Facebook also. Links are given in the description box. Thank you for watching.